Bro, the more I read, the more clicks. Like, I'm gonna start shaking. Look what I just realized. So I'm reading the Bible, right? And I don't know why, like, I felt an urge, like, let me just start all the way from the beginning. And something clicked for me literally in the first 6 lines of Genesis. And I had this theory come to me, like, I want to say a year and a half ago, that the bottom of the ocean is outer space. And before anyone looks at me crazy, I already feel some of you like, no, hold on. So this is the opening of Genesis, literally. Girl, please. The Spirit of God was hovering over the surface of the waters, which of course makes sense because the higher you are, like, above the water, the more light is there. The deeper you go, the darker it gets. You know, in the first 7 days, he says, let there be light. Then he separated the light from darkness. God called the light day and the darkness night, right? Then on line 6, he says, let there be a space between the waters to separate the waters of the heavens and the waters of earth. I had to reread that a few times because the waters of the heavens and waters of the earth. So a space between the water. And the waters of the earth is what's more on top because that's where like the light is. And more on the bottom is waters of the heavens. Of the heavens. At the top. God called this space sky. Let the waters beneath the sky flow together into one place, and this is land. The waters beneath the sky. That would be, beneath the sky is earth. But then if you look at it from the perspective of the ocean, the beneath the sky would be the heavens. Because above that space between the waters separating heaven and earth would be earth. So it's like 2 different perspectives, but it's the same thing. And if you think about it, it makes sense. I need to collect more data about this. But let's not forget how NASA started off investigating the ocean and now they investigate space. Because they realize that it's all one. The bottom of the ocean is space. And think about all those creatures. Like, on a whole other note, think of all those creatures that look like aliens in the bottom of the ocean. And also, we see UFOs. Like, there's, like, people who say they see UFOs or different beings come out of the ocean. And if you think about it, space travel, let's say, like, other beings don't even space travel. Or they do, technically. What if they travel to Earth through the ocean? Not from the sky coming here. They come from the bottom up. Because it's a loop. I can't.